Hey y'all, wanna come make shirts with me? I'm doing the new hot peel that we have. I got like 24 shirts to do tonight. I am finishing, I've done some of them, so I don't think I did the first thing. I did not. So I just wanted to make a quick video to show you guys this hot peel, because I know some of you have been like struggling with the hot peel. Some of you have been like, I'm scared to pull it, and I'm like, rip the thing already. But I want to make sure that I show you all how it works, and excuse the compressor, show you all how it works so that you're not scared of the hot peel. The beauty of the hot peel is you don't have to peel it hot. You can peel it warm or cold, but you can also peel it hot. And if you're good at the hot, then you want to peel it hot because it's gonna save you time in your pressing, right? So it's totally up to you and personal preference and comfortability. I do advise, however, when you have items that have very skinny lettering on them, that you probably want to peel those warm or cold. You want anything that is tiny, a tiny print, peel it warm or cold. If you are pressing on canvas fabric, like canvas bags, peel that warm or cold. Actually, peel that cold. Canvas is a special material, and you want to definitely peel that cold. Let it sit. Matter of fact, you're probably gonna press it twice. Canvas has a lot of moisture in it. It's a harder fabric for the DTF to adhere to, but you can put DTF on there. It just, you gotta test it out and see what works best for you in your process with canvas. So let's jump right in. All right, so I am doing these shirts, and I've got, like I said, 24 of them to do here real quick. And I'm gonna be able to save a lot of time because I am using the hot peel. Let me move my camera back some because I want y'all to be able to see. Okay, so I got my shirt here. This is my back, my front. So I got my transfer. I'm going to get it all lined up. This is a class reunion set that I'm doing. I don't know about y'all, but I measure. I use my nice T ruler. If you don't have one, get you one. It's the best thing ever. You're not sure what that is, make sure you look out for my class and join and you can find out what it is as I teach you all these secrets. Well, we would say they're secrets, but things to just make you make your business easier, make you more productive, and hopefully help your business grow, right? So that class is loading. We'll have that on the website here very shortly. We had some hiccups happen, so okay, so I'm gonna do the sleeve over here first. You guys won't be able to see the sleeve. It's a little square like this. It's a 3x3 image that I'm putting on the sleeve, so I'm going to snatch that. We're getting ready to, I've got both of my images set up, so I'm going to do a 10-second press at 300 degrees, 70 pressure on the sleeve, and no parchment paper, just the transfer. So that's pressing for 10 seconds. I am using my dual Hottronics Fusion Air Fusion heat press, Fusion IQ, so it moves directly over. That finished, I just peel that away, and as y'all can see, there's nothing left on that transfer. That was a hot peel, right? Real quick, like, put that in the trash can. I'm gonna put a piece of parchment paper over this side so when it comes back, I can finish press it. Going to now press this side over here, and you will see me hot peel it. 10 seconds, same thing, 300 degrees, 70 pressure. Immediately hot peel. Look at that, guys. Nothing is left on that film, okay? That space y'all see is the space in the image, so that's just where it's trying to print, where it had some fade of the image left. But I just want y'all to see this, right? It's all on there. I'm going to lay that back down. So I put a piece of parchment paper over it. I'm on a 5-second finish press my sleeve over here. And I'm dropping paper everywhere. My sleeve is now done, and my paper went with it. We're gonna let that stay under there. Sleeve done. 5-second press on my shirt. And because I'm talking to y'all, I forgot to set up my next shirt. I'll move that back over and do that real quick. Now, I want to show you this. This one is a little bent, right? Just because of how it come off the dryer, or in my cutting process, or where I had the film, I don't know. It doesn't really matter, but I'm going to, because it's a small image, take a small piece, heat tape, and you're going to say to yourself, but Tanya, it's hot peel. How are you going to peel it? I'm just putting the tape in the corner, and one at the top and one of the corners where I'm not snatching from, okay? All right. So I'm gonna move this back, because this is done. We did our 5-second finishing press. And ta-da, look at that. Image is there, nice and soft, no issues, all right? So before I press that one, I'm gonna set this next one up. Again, take my T-ruler. Y'all get you one of these, I'm telling you. Call me if you don't know how to use it. Alright. So now I'm gonna press this one. Remember, I got heat tape on this one. I'm gonna snatch it off the same way, guys. Look at that, and you see the tape, right? I had tape on the ends. No issues with the image. 10 seconds over here. Again, clean image, clean film. Parchment sheet. Again, this one's a little bent, so I just put a piece of tape. trying to get myself organized over here. Started throwing down t-shirts and forgot. So I'm going to go ahead and finish pressing the rest of this 7 that I'm working on right here. And we'll come back and just let y'all watch. Probably speed up this part. So just tune in. Okay guys, and just like that, in 8 minutes, I have pressed 7 shirts in 2 locations, a front print and a one print, with the hot peel. So you want to try it. You asked me why hot peel? This is why. It's a no-brainer in the efficiency that you gain with having and using hot peel. So try it. If you guys have problems with it, again, you can do it warm or cold peel. But also, if you're local, feel free to come into the shop. I will happily help you and walk through some shirts you got to press with the images and show you how the hot peel works. Again, it's not for every image type, because things with small letterings or skinny images, you definitely want to let it set so that it sticks to the fabric. You know it's in there. Let it, take it off the heat press, let it get warm. But as you can see, my efficiency and my ability to process these shirts quickly, I gained a lot of time, right? So that's why hot peel. But you have options, and I'd rather for you all to have options with the hot peel, whether you can peel it hot, cold, or warm, depending on what you're working on, how much time you're trying to gain, how quick you're trying to get something done, right? So totally up to you. But until next time, guys, this is Tanya with the Factory 10. See you all later. Bye.